Classic Gears and Machining is a Wisconsin-based, ISO-certified, family-owned business with nearly 30 years of experience. Within our 40,000 square foot facility, we have a wide array of capabilities. From power transmission components, pulleys, gun components, to general machining, we are able to provide a completed product entirely in-house. We are continually adding state-of-the-art equipment to not only maintain our customers' expectations, but to increase our quality of business. Many of our new machines possess multitasking capabilities, which brings together advanced technology, productivity, and value to deliver exceptional performance. Here at Classic Gears and Machining, we welcome any opportunity to quote your machining needs. So we're powered up and ready to start making chips. Are you?